This recipe is easily among the top 5 air fryer recipes that I've made till date. I've done it with chicken skewers previously and I'm doing it with chicken quarters this time. So I've taken two chicken leg pieces, quarters basically, and I scored them with the knife because that's how the marinade and flavor will go inside the meat and not just stay on the top layer of the meat. Then mix everything that is listed on the screen, add it to the chicken, coat the chicken. You can marinate it or you can cook it straight away. It's up to you. Then I always line my air fryer basket with baking paper. You can choose not to do it, but this is what keeps the chicken very moist and juicy. While the chicken is cooking, you prepare the glaze. I'm using low fat mayo. You can use normal mayonnaise. Add the sweet chili sauce, lemon juice, and dried parsley. Mix everything and set it aside. Once the chicken is done from one side, you have to flip it. If you can see there's a lot of juice of the chicken on the baking paper, and this is the trick to keep the chicken moist and juicy. Otherwise, all of these juices are drained and the chicken becomes very dry. And once the chicken is ready, brush the mayonnaise glaze all over the chicken. Brush it on both sides. Be generous. The mayonnaise glaze will melt on the chicken. You don't need to cook it again. And once everything is done, you can just enjoy it. You can serve it with rice, some salad, or you can just eat it on its own. This is really good for meal prep. If you're making chicken skewers, to just put it in the fridge for later.